The flush cutter is used for cutting really fine metal wire or for cutting stringing wire or string for beading. So, for example, you can use it if you're working with really thin, I'd say about 18 gauge or higher, so 18 gauge or smaller wire. Or, for example, if you're doing beading and you are cutting bead wire. And the flush cutter is really great for that because it has a very fine point. It allows you to get really close to the edge. So if you're using a crimp bead, for example, to do beading, you can get really close. So to use a flush cutter, if, in the case, especially if you're using it to cut really fine wire, I recommend that you stick your finger at the end of near where you're cutting so that your little bits of wire don't go flying everywhere and hit you in the eye or something. So all you simply do to snip it is just get up close and go snip, and that's it. And that's how you use the flush cutter.